A while back, I made a zero clearance insert for my table saw, and while it's worked well enough, a few of the decisions I made for problem solving led to the end product being very thin, and there's some flex in it. My plan is to make a new set that solves this issue, a few others, and I'd like to make a few inserts for angled cuts as well. You might have already caught my mistake here, but I didn't realize this when making this cut, and the reason this won't work is because where the blade is currently interacting with the insert is offset to where it will actually be used whenever the insert is installed on the table saw. To correct this, I made a second cut slightly to the left from this perspective, and I kind of like that addition because it gives some relief directly under the blade while it's in use. I've got one more concrete plan for an insert that can facilitate all angles between 90 and 45. And I have a few extra blanks in case I come up with any new use cases down the line. My main solution for fixing the flex that I had in the original insert was to make the whole body thicker and then carve out sections for the tabs that are already on the table saw. An unforeseen issue this caused was whenever I raise the blade to its max height, it begins pushing on the insert itself. So until I carve out some key areas on the insert, that's going to be something that I lose. However, the improvements that I did get from these changes were exactly what I was looking for. I'll probably tinker around with these inserts, see if there's some way to improve them further, maybe mitigate some of those issues that had cropped up toward the end. And I might try and post a video with those improvements as well. I'm excited to test out these new inserts and see if there's any notable improvements to my cuts.